A credit card limit can decrease for several reasons, including inactivity, as a lack of borrowing and paying off debt can lead to a loss of confidence from the credit issuer. If a credit card is not being used, the issuer may lower the credit limit. Additionally, a reduction in credit score can also result in a lower credit limit, as some providers use credit scores to determine limits. Late payments can also be a factor, as they indicate an inability to pay off debt, which may prompt the credit card provider to lower the limit. Economic changes can also impact credit limits, as providers may lower limits during times of economic hardship to prevent customers from borrowing money they may not be able to pay back. If a credit limit has been lowered, it is recommended to contact the credit card provider to understand the reason for the reduction and to negotiate a possible restoration of the original limit. To avoid having a credit limit lowered, it is essential to use the credit card responsibly, including making timely payments, avoiding inactivity, and keeping credit utilization below 30%. By understanding the reasons for a reduced credit limit and taking steps to maintain responsible credit card use, individuals can help prevent unnecessary decreases in their credit limits.